Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ford Fusion SE. Under the hood we have a 2.5-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray, looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front on your grille, as well as your projector-style headlights and fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our Nexen brand tires with our 18-inch rims. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals on them there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that SE badging. You have the Fusion, the Ford, and you also have your backup camera there. Now we can open it up on the keys here, just like that. And you can get back here. Lots and lots of room back here. You can fold those seats forward. And you do also have your spare tire just underneath there in case you did ever need it. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock. You do that one to open up your back and your panic button there. And there's your key. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your locks up here. You also have your electric mirrors and windows here. Handle and some storage down here with the water bottle holder. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats, very soft. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. We have our lights over here. We have our off, our daytime running lights, low beams, and our auto, as well as our fog lights right here, and in-cabin light control here. And right up here, we do also have the control over the turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. You also have your trip 1 in the center there, but you can switch this guy around a little bit. So you can switch to your trip 2, your fuel economy, driver's assist settings, and then you also have all sorts of different options in here. You can check your average fuel, you got your fuel used, trip timer, you also have your trip odometer, distance till empty, and all that guy. So you have that all controlled in there. Then you have your cruise control options here, horn in the center, and you have this one that controls the radio. Then you have your Bluetooth options as well as the volume and the skip there. Then you have the controls over your windshield wipers right over here. In the center we do have our radio. Looks great. So you do have your CD up here with the sound. You got your radio. You have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. You also have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth or your USB. You have your clock right here. You can change your time and whatnot. You have your phone options if you have one through Bluetooth, as well as your menu right there. You have your presets over here. And down here we have a volume up and down with the power. You have those guys change the buttons. Then you also have your skip as well as your hang up and your call out. Your selectors here as well as your tuner. Then here we do have our CD player with the play and the eject. You have your climate control down here, the power and the heat and AC there, where it's going to blow out of. And then down here you do have some additional storage. Gear shift right here. When you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. You also have your electronic parking brake right here. You do have some cup holders. This guy does flip up. You have a USB plug-in and lots of room in there. Then right over here, we do have our locking glove box with lots of room in there. And up top, you do have the control over your sunroof as well as your lights. And there's our sunroof, looking great. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you do have your handle here, control of your windows, and a handle here. Looks fantastic back here. Very nice and soft. I like the red accenting back here. You can fold the seats forward just like this. And you do have the extra room, like I said. As well, you can fold this guy down just like this. And you do have a armrest with some cup holders as well. And there's our 2.5-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Ford Fusion SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.